Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding economics concepts in just 1 minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of gig economy. The gig economy refers to a labor market which is characterized by short-term flexible jobs often mediated by online or digital platforms. So these jobs are performed by freelancers and individual contractors. Uber exemplifies the gig economy by connecting drivers who are individual contractors with individuals seeking transportation services through digital platform. Examples of gig economy are ranging from accommodation and transportation to freelance work and on-demand services. Since the gig economy is dynamic, new platforms and services may emerge over time. So that is the idea of gig economy. If you like it, share it.